This video is called Element versus Compound. Let's start with element. An element is a pure chemical substance consisting of only one type of atom. This is an example right here. This is the element lithium. The periodic table is full of individual elements. An element is identified by having only one capital letter. Let's look at lithium right here. There are more than one letters. However, there's only one capital letter, which is the L, and that's how we identify that it's an element. Beryllium is the same way. There's more than one letter, but there's only one capital letter. So one capital letter is how we tell that it's an element. A compound is a pure chemical substance containing two or more different chemical elements. This is a compound of carbon dioxide. However, if we look at it, the C stands for carbon and the O stands for oxygen. Those are individual elements, and when you combine them, you make a compound of carbon dioxide. Compound is identified by having two or more capital letters. Here's a compound for sugar. We have carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Each one by itself is an element. When you combine them all together, you have a compound. Let's practice. We have a crazy mess right here. We need to decide if it's an element or a compound. The F is capitalized. The H is not, the I is not, and the U is not. So that top one is just an element because it only has one capital letter. This one at the bottom, the C is capitalized, but the F is not and the E is not, but the O is. The D and G are not, but the R is. So it has two or more capital letters, so it's a compound. Let's do a couple more. We have this right here. Let's take a look. The C is capitalized and the O is capitalized. So CO2 is a compound. Right here. The M is capitalized, but the G is not. It is the element magnesium. Reminders. An element stands alone. A compound has to have at least two or more elements in it.